नमस्कार. या खासा डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. बिहारचो रिझल्ट आयला आणि बिहारच्या रिझल्टा उपरांत अख्खे देशभर एक वेगळे वारे व्हांवपाक लागला. हे वारे बीजेपीक खंय व्हरतले आणि गोंयचेर हाजेर कितें परिणाम जातलो ह्या विशयाचेर आमी भासाभास करतात. तीन मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर, तीन वेगवेगळ्या पार्टींतले. हांव विजय सरदेसाय वेगळ्या पार्टींतलोच म्हणटा आतां मेरेन. मुखार कितें जाता तें पळोवचें पडटलें. बट पयलीं जे आसात ते म्हळ्यार काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे आनी फुडारी यतीश नायक, स्वागत. दुसरे आसात फातोड्डेचे आमदार विजय सरदेसाय, स्वागत. आणि तिसरे आसात भाजपाचे फुडारी मायकल लोबो. यतीश, आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. Mahagठबंधन paying off such a brilliant result for you, 2/3 majority, more than 2/3 majority. How are you analyzing it? What is the message out of this verdict?
But if you see this election, in the run up to this election, BJP made this election as Modi versus Mahagठबंधन. It was Modi's prestige at stake, which was done by BJP themselves. Then there was a high decibel campaign. There were about 36 meetings of Prime Minister. Never in independent India has such thing happened that a state election witnesses so many meetings of a Prime Minister, incumbent Prime Minister. Then you had Sushil Modi saying that this is an election between beef eaters and non-beef eaters. You had different types of people making different statements, including BJP president saying that if BJP loses, then Diwali will be celebrated in Pakistan. Intolerance was at its peak, and this election has shown the maturity of the Indian electorate, and the result clearly gives one message. People of India want secular politics. People of India and people of Bihar have voted for inclusive growth, developmental politics, and have rejected hate politics and communal politics. This is the writing on the wall.
Vijay, what is the message? How are you interpreting this landslide victory for Mahagठबंधन?
No, as Yatish says, I agree that it is actually a victory of secularism and progress versus Modi's style of progress. And actually the BJP has lost and India has won. So if you look at it in the larger picture, it is not only the people of Bihar who have won, but it is the prayers of so many Indians who have prayed for this victory of the Mahagठबंधन. Because the idea of India, जे कितें idea of India म्हणून आसा ती उरूंक जाय आशिल्ली आनी हे इलेक्शनान जर BJP जिखताली वा NDA जिखताले खंयच्या खंय पावूंक शकताले. म्हाका दिसता सेक्युलर वर्सीस सिक्युलर जे कोण उलयताले तांकां लोकांनी आपलो जागो दाखयलेलो आहा आनी हाज्या खातीर आमचो देश साल्वार जाल्लो आहा. आतां देश साल्वार जावन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आनी BJP सरकाराचो फुडार कितें हाजेर जेन्ना प्रश्न येता ताजेर उत्तराय लोक सांगतात की प्रधानमंत्र्यान देशान रावूंक जाय म्हणून. तो देशाचो प्रधानमंत्री म्हणून. आतां तो भोंवत आसता तो भोंवप मातशें कमी करप, जे तमाशा भायर करता ते मातशें कमी करप, बंद करप. म्हाका दिसता आतां वेम्बली स्टेडियमाचेर तांचें हें आहा तें बी ताणें बंद करूंक जाय, देशान रावूंक जाय आनी पांय जमनीचेर आसूंक जाय. एरोगन्स, पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ हेट हाका हें दाखयल्लें आहा, जागो दाखयल्लो आहा. आनी म्हाका दिसता दीस इज अ विक्ट्री ऑफ द सेक्युलर पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. इट्स अ विक्ट्री अगेन्स्ट इंटॉलरन्स.
वॉट इज द मेसेज? कारण एक गजाल जाणवता हे सगळें हे कॅम्पेन जरी पळयलें बिहाराचें आनी रिजल्ट जरी पळयलो, यू क्रिएटेड अ टेक्स्ट बूक विक्ट्री, द बिगेस्ट टेक्स्ट बूक विक्ट्री इन 2014. आणि आता परिस्थिती अशी आसा की तुमचें टेक्स्ट बूक तुमीच विसरले आनी तुमीच काडून तें म्हाका दिसता नितीश कुमार आनी लालू प्रसादाक दिलें आनी ते तुमची टेक्स्ट बूक शिकून जिखले आनी तुमी तुमची टेक्स्ट बूक विसरले. वाय दिस हॅपन्ड अँड वॉट इज द मेसेज?
See, we have accepted the defeat and the verdict of the people of Bihar. आणि जे मिस्टेक्स आमी केल्या, सी डिफीट केन्ना हांव म्हणटा चड करून आमकां लागला की आमी आख्खे इंडियाभर रुलींग करता. आमचे बिहारान MPs कितलेच जिखून येयले, हायेस्ट नंबर ऑफ MPs. आनी आफ्टर ऑल दीस जे आमचे प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे जे आयज पॉप्युलॅरिटी आहा ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड इन इंडिया, ह्या इलेक्शनाक अशें दिसून येयल्ले पयले आनी एक्झिट पोल बसून आमच्या फावरान आसलो. भारतीय जनता पार्टी लेड NDA चे फावरान आसलो एक्झिट पोल आणि समटायम्स ओवर कॉन्फिडन्स ऑल्सो इज व्हेरी बॅड आणि तितून काय लोक जे BJP म्हणटा आपण आणि आपलो एजेंडा फुडें व्हरूंक सोदता हेंच्यांनी वाट लायिल्ली आहा आणि म्हाका
कसली लोक हे कसली लोक
हे थोडे जाण पार्टीचे म्हणून आहा आमच्या थोडे जाण सपोर्टेड पार्टी म्हणजे आम्ही वी आर सपोर्टिंग BJP म्हणून हेंच्यांनी जे
सगळे संघ परिवारातलेच लोक न्ही ते
इनटॉलरन्स जे आहे जे चालू आहे
सगळे संघ परिवारातलेच लोक
ना
न्ही ते
सगळेच नव्हते सी एवरी पार्टी हॅज दिस टायप ऑफ पीपल इवन काँग्रेस हॅज गॉट सगळे पार्टीन आहे आणि आमचे पार्टीन थोडे आहा हेंचेर स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन घेवपाची गरज आहा हेचेर आमी जेन्ना अमित शाह गोंयांत येयल्लो हेचेर भासाभास जाल्ली आहा आणि आय वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू स्पीक टू हिम फॉर 12 मिनिट्स तेणें म्हाका 12 मिनटां दिली उलोवपाक आणि हांवें ताका सांगलेलें की नरेंद्रजी मोदी आणि BJP जो जर आमी पावरान येयला इन 2014 is because of the misdeeds and misdoings and corruption and people were taken for granted by the UPA, that is Congress and allies. They had taken India and Indians for granted. त्या खातीर आमी जिखोन येयल्ले आणि आमी जिखोन येयल्ले सबका साथ सबका विकास हो नरेंद्रजी मोदीचो आख्खे देशभरान तो जेन्ना भोंवलो मुस्लीम लोकांनी कॅथलीक लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट केलो आणि सबका साथ सबका विकास सगळ्यांक घेवन फुडें वचपा पूण तेका खंय तरी मोदेकात स्पोक घालपाक हे थोडे जाण जे आहा आमचे पार्टीन ओ पार्टीचे भायर
तांचेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय
तेंचेर एक्शन न्हू हेंकां भायर घालपाक जाय पार्टीन
एक गजाल नोटीस केली
कित्याक इंडियेचे लोक सगळे हुशार आहा सगळे शिकलेले आहा आणि ते जाणा आमकां कितें जाय आनी कितें नाका
बट विजय वन थिंग वेन नरेंद्र मोदी स्टार्टेड हिज कॅम्पेन ताणें ती डेव्हलपमेंटाच्याच मुद्द्याचेर सुरवात केल्ली तूं पयलीं जर आउट ऑफ दोज 36 मिटिंग्स जर सुरवातीची 10 मिटिंग्स पळयता जाल्यार त्यो खंय थंय कास्ट बिस्ट काय नाशिल्ले थंय डेव्हलपमेंट आशिल्लो ताजे उपरांत ते स्लोली कास्टाचेर पावले आणि लास्ट फेजी भितर परिस्थिती अशी जाली जंय सगळें पाकिस्तान धरून फायर क्रॅकर्स धरून सगळ्यो गजाली जाल्यो व्हाय डू यू थिंक BJP changed its strategy during the course of this election?
See, basically they have in the last 1 year he has nothing to show. Progress आणि डेव्हलपमेंटाचे राजकारण जर तूं फुडें घेवन फुडें वता जाल्यार बीफ येना बीफ म्हणटा तो इश्यू सडनली कित्याक वयर आयलो इट इज अनप्रेसिडेंटेड इट इज इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमिशन फर्स्ट टाइम द इलेक्शन कमिशन हॅज टोल्ड समबडी टू स्टॉप युअर हेड इन द रुलिंग पार्टी की बाबा तुवें गाय ती हाजेर दाखोवन एड केलो तो आडायलो ताणी सो हाजो अर्थ कितें की तांकां डिवायजीव पॉलिटिक्स करूनच जिखपाचें आशिल्लें क्लियर कट ते जिखूंक शकनात आनी जे कितें प्रॉमीस करता ते फट मारतात तांणी सांगिल्लें अच्छे दिन येतले म्हणून बिहारान कोण वोटर बिहारान गरिबांतलो गरीब वोटर आनी गरिबांतलो गरीब पुणून पॉलिटिकली आनी सोशली कॉन्शियस म्हणटकच तांणी विचार केलो की बाबा हाणें आमकां फटयल्या मागीर ताणें सांगलें की हे काला धन आएगा एक चुनावी जुमला म्हणून तें तांकां कळ्ळें म्हाका पश्चाताप जाता की गोंयची जनता जी बिहारा परस पर कॅपिटा आमी एज्युकेशन लेवल चड हाय आहात पूण गोंयकारांक अजून कळूंक ना हांकां कोणी मतां मारली ती म्हाका कळना म्युनिसिपालिटीक बी हांकां फोंडान घालूंक जाय आसलें हांकां मतां मारली म्हटल्यार ती गोंयकारांचो रेस्पेक्ट डावन जालो कित्याक गोंयांत स्पेशल स्टेटस म्हणून हेच मोदीन डिक्लेअर केल्लें आनी आतां ताचेर ताणें यू टर्न मारिल्लो आहा
First of all, this mask of development that Modi tried to wear was a mask. It stood exposed. People learned what was lying beneath. And they have voted and rejected that brand Modi and brand BJP. And number two, I have strong exception when Michael Baab says that there are some fringe elements in the BJP who are bringing a bad name. They are not fringe elements, they are mainstream elements. Because Sushil Modi cannot be considered as a fringe element. He was your chief minister in waiting or whatever it is. He led the campaign in Bihar. He was your state leader. He said that it is between beef eaters and non-beef eaters. Then you have that Yogi Adityanath or whoever. In the run-up to the elections, he made a vitriolic statement. Then you have Amit Shah who said that firecrackers will be busted in Pakistan. He is their national president. So don't say that your fringe elements have done this and action should be taken. This whole BJP party revolves around the axis of this RSS, and they go by the principles of intolerance, hatred, vendetta, and all those things. And people have rejected that politics, and their downslide has begun, and their downslide will also be reflected in all other elections to come.
ओके एक गजाल
I
असा
disagree.
ओके आय कम टू मायकल एक गजाल आसा दुसरो प्रश्न हा की तुवें हाजे पयलीं म्हणिल्लें की बिहाराच्या इलेक्शनाचेर गोंयचें भवितव्य थारतलें गोवा ओपोजिशन अलायन्स यू बीन टॉकिंग सारकें GOA जाता हाव स्ट्रॉंगली डू यू फील ह्या रिजल्टा लागून तुज्या त्या कॉन्सेप्टाक बुस्ट मेळ्ळ्या
एक म्हणल्यार महागठबंधन आणि गोवा ग्रँड ओपोजिशन अलायन्स इज वन अँड द सेम थिंग इट इज बेसिकली द इंग्लिश ट्रान्सलेशन ऑफ महागठबंधन सो हांव जें कितें म्हणटा आनी इतल्या वर्सां म्हणीत आहा हांव 2 वर्सां जालीं म्हणटा की विदीन द लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्ली एंड आउटसायड यू नीड टू युनायट अगेन्स्ट सच अ व्हेरी ऑर्गनायज्ड पार्टी which puts fear into people. I have got a thing to say that they even put fear into you media, because the media itself today was manipulated. The satta bazar was manipulated. लोक म्हणटा सट्टा बाजारान कितें जाता तें जाताच म्हणून आज खंयचेंय पळय आतां मायकलान म्हणलें पॉप्युलॅरिटी ऑफ द प्रायम मिनिस्टर इंटरनॅशनली कसली ती इंटरनॅशनल पॉप्युलॅरिटी ते लोक येवन मोदी करता ते सगळे भाड्याचे बैल आसतले ना कित्याक मिटिंग्यो ज्यो प्रायम मिनिस्टराच्यो बिहारान जाल्यो तातूंत भरपूर लोक आसतले मतां खंय गेलीं सो 2/3 मेजॉरिटी आयिल्ली आहा वायप आउट जाली बीजेपी इट्स अ वायट वॉश हें कित्याक जालां आनी असल्या पार्टीचे विरुद्ध जर तूं झगडटलो जाल्यार सगळे एकवटान आसपाची गरज आहा आनी हें एक मेसेज आहा हे इलेक्शनाची मेसेज कितें इट इज अ विक्ट्री ऑफ रिजनल सेंटिमेंट अगेन्स्ट द दिल्ली सरकार मोदीन थंय भाशण दिलें
saying that this is a rise of neo-federalism.
Yes, and I'm saying another thing, that the country cannot be governed from Delhi. He said that 1,25,000 कोटी दिल्ली सरकार दितलो लोकांनी वोट कोणाच्या अगेन्स्ट मारलो ते दिल्ली सरकार that means against the high command politics. It is a very clear message that regional sentiment, perhaps with the support, the background and the backbone of the secular ideology of the Congress, but with the regional sentiment in mind. This is the winning combination.
You agree, Yatish?
Because the secular sentiment, see, the secular ideology of the Congress has brought us many places,
Vijay is
including
saying-
the idea of India.
Vijay is saying-
idea of India म्हणते कितें
Yeah.
तीच गांधीन, तीच नेरून, तीच आंबेडकरान आणि तीच सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेलांनी बी
No.
idea of India म्हणते केल्ली.
Vijay is saying that there is a huge scope for the alliance, but the sentiment has to be regional, and Congress can be the backbone, but without high command culture. Is it possible?
Then I'll tell you, the Bihar election result is a result which epitomizes two very important points: rejection of arrogance, rejection of intolerance, and preference of development over all other issues of hatred. These are the three things. If you take these three concepts, then Bihar election is a message to know how people of India want political parties to be, and BJP has learnt a lesson in these elections. Now, as far as Goa is concerned, you cannot replicate or seek to replicate the experiment of Bihar in Goa. In Bihar, circumstances are different.
There should not be an alliance in Goa.
Please understand me. Don't put the cart before the horse.
No, I'm just
No,
putting a
please,
question before the horse.
please understand me. Please understand me. In
He's not a
Bihar,
decision maker.
no, please understand. Neither are you for your party. Neither are you for the party. But in their party, some people overshoot also these days. So they'll leave that aside. But let us be very clear on this. That as far as Bihar elections are concerned, that concept cannot be cut, copied and pasted here. Here, Congress party has been the dominant party. Congress party has got workers and well-wishers and sympathizers and ideology subscribers everywhere in the state. Unlike BJP, where they cannot even go in certain constituencies.
So what you are essentially saying is there can be an alliance
One second.
with Congress being the dominant partner.
I have not said that. What I am saying therefore is that Congress party has already begun the exercise of building up in the state. There is no question of any alliance when the party has started building up on its own. Because with whom do you have alliance? With whom do you have alliance? Parties like Goa Vikas Party, they are with BJP in this government. Parties like MGP, they are with the BJP government. You take parties like NCP, which even in Maharashtra they went and supported the BJP in Fadnavis government. You have some individuals in this government who may be speaking here and there something, but they have officially given support of letter of support to the BJP-led government. So whom do you have alliance with?
Vijay,
One second. Whom do you have alliance with? Those people who are, who have jumped onto the bandwagon of the BJP in this tenure of the governance?
So-
Congress party, no, let me just sum up. Congress party has started the building up exercise in all 40. And party wants to have a structure which it's already doing on a war footing.
Okay, Vijay, how would you respond to that? A very valid, genuine concern from the Congress spokesperson.
This is not a concern. This is bravado. See, the Congress party has started building up. When? From when? After the municipal election, because in my constituency I have not seen it built up. So there is no question of building up. Secondly, that thing of having tie-up with BJP. Now I am the person talking about the grand opposition alliance. Wherever I have a tie-up with the BJP. On the contrary, it was me who ran their campaign in Lok Sabha, and none of their leaders were visible because they were scared of the BJP government. People are with those leaders who are ready to take on the BJP. Lallu Prasad Yadav used to straight away take on Modi. Nitish Kumar used to take him on in the evening. Today morning he would lie to the people. In the evening they would take on them. This Congress party's leadership has to be nudged, pushed and made to speak. The whole world knows it. So कोणाचे उलयतात? See, हे resultant, it should be not only a lesson for Bihar, it should be a lesson for Goa. It is a lesson for the national parties to have
तू
their
कितें
feet
म्हणटा फाल्यां
grounded.
जर ती अलायन्सान शेप घेतलो
हय.
जाल्यार काँग्रेस जाय बट द रिजनल सेंटिमेंट और अ रिजनल आउटफिट और अ रिजनल फॉर्मेशन हैज टू बी द डॉमिनंट पार्टनर
अरे एक किती जाता
दैट इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग
I am saying that in Goa, if you start getting for every decision you have to go to Delhi and get a green signal, then work you can't move in Goa, and this is what has happened. There is a disconnect between the high command and the low command. That disconnect has been utilized by the BJP, and the BJP leadership in Goa, like Manohar Parrikar, is rooted in Goa, and he is also the defense minister of the country. So he doesn't require to take permissions to do something here. He can do it at one go. These people have to go and meet their men there. I don't know what is the point, but the response to situations has never been there from the Congress side. And I don't want to berate the Congress, but the point is, the fact of the matter, reality is that the Congress is seen to be missing in action.
Okay.
Missing in
Michael,
action.
very frankly,
In the house and outside.
what is a threatening scenario for you?
See,
Congress and a regional outfit
see,
together,
there-
or Congress independently, regional outfits
There is
independently?
no threatening as far as BJP is concerned. हे जे म्हणतात थ्रेटनिंग विजय बाब म्हणटा पळय तेका आमी एग्री जाता की काँग्रेस जे म्हणटा की आमी बिल्डिंग अप आनी कितें ते स्ट्रेंथनिंग करता आनी कितें तरी करता म्हणटात पळय ते म्हाका जाल्यार खंयसरूच दिसना ते आहा म्हणून इन एक्झिस्टन्स ते you look at ZP election, they म्हणाले we don't want to field any candidate, neither we will support any candidate. Then you look, after that there came municipal election, and from the municipal election we have only 12 months to go, that is 1 year to go for the assembly election. They are still saying that we don't want to support anybody. म्हणजे हे म्हाका दिसता खंयसरूच ते सपोर्ट दिवपाचे काय कॅन्डिडेट घालपाचे परिस्थितीन ना. So we will face opposition, that is BJP will face opposition only from a regional party. जे ग्रँड अलायन्स म्हणटा काय न्यू रिजनल पार्टी जी येवपाची आहा म्हणटा तेचेत ऑपोजिशन आसतलें आमकां. वी डोंट लूक एट ऑपोजिशन फ्रॉम द काँग्रेस बिकॉज people from Goa.
Before moving on, I'll give you a chance to respond and then we'll move ahead.
People from Goa,
Yeah.
let me be very frank, people from Goa have rejected the Congress in 2012 and they have rejected the Congress in 2014 And if they had to field candidates for municipality or ZP, they would have rejected them also. People have more faith because they have shown for Vijay only in his own constituency. He didn't move out. In Fatorda, you look at the scenario, they gave him clear
Okay.
majority.
Yeah, I'll give you a time.
So the
I
question
don't-
only does not arise.
Okay, how do you respond?
I don't know what sort of logic my friend is using.
Okay.
Because no opposition from Congress and all, it is self-consolation what they want to live in. And when he says that he is not aware about Congress building up, how can Congress take him in confidence in these exercises? He may not be aware.
विकास 4 चार जण
You let me
spokesman
speak. You let me
spokesman
speak.
येतात
Okay, let him
आणि
reply.
ते प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सेस देतात. Besides this press conference, have you seen any of the congressmen active
You
anywhere on
see,
the road?
you
Okay,
see,
yeah, respond.
they have all been trained in this way.
Okay.
And they are doing Abhyas works now.
Okay.
The training is just to shout. Wherever they go, shout.
No, we
They
are
are
not
not
let him
going to
respond,
offer.
let him
We are
respond.
doing our
Like
work.
let him
BJP
respond, let him
government
respond.
is doing a very
Okay.
good job
No,
in
you
Goa.
do one thing.
Okay.
What is, I don't understand
okay.
this. See, they have been told, just shout. No
Okay,
merit,
how would you
anything
respond
opposing.
to the issues raised by them?
You see, he has raised no issues. He has exhibited that he is antithetic to reality. He has put out a proposition which is non-ashed. It is a non-ashed proposition. He wants to believe in something and he's trying to convince himself. Let us be clear. So he can live in the paradise that he wishes to live in. All I can tell you, Congress party has got some lessons in 2012 elections. Through the mandate and through the ballot box, Goans have expressed certain things. The message is with the party. Party has to live up to the expectations of the mandate of the election. And whatever the message is, party has to ensure that the message is well received and translated into action and
Okay,
reality.
okay.
No, let me complete
Okay,
because
okay.
there is a loud this that he has
Okay,
spoken.
okay.
So therefore I'm telling you,
Yeah.
party,
Okay.
he wishes, I don't know what is wrong with him.
Okay. Continue. You continue.
All I can tell
No,
you,
I mean politically.
No, Michael,
I don't want to interrupt.
I'll come to you.
But it
Okay,
looks-
you
no,
complete.
this is not the habit that I go for a debate.
Okay. You complete your point.
This is not the habit.
Okay, you
They have
complete
been
your
given good training by whoever.
Okay. You
see,
complete your point.
Therefore, party has understood the message. Party is going to ensure that whatever the mistakes of the past are not repeated. New faces is something that the people of Goa want. Party is, in full agreement with that aspect. President of the party has spoken on this aspect. The issues of the people and the sentiments of the people will be respected
Okay,
by the Congress
okay,
party.
okay.
And the party's building up exercise has begun, is going to continue, and the party will only emerge stronger with the
Okay.
day. Now, as far as the ZP and the municipality has been this, it was the party's policy from day one that as far as local self-governance, that doesn't mean parties, workers have played no role. They have been reduced to 6 in municipalities. They just have 6. And I don't know what face they have
Okay,
in
okay, okay.
Tom
म्हणजे
Tom
एक गजाला एक आर्ग्युमेंट येवपाक शकता बिफोर एंडिंग दिस डिबेट की गोंया भितर बीजेपी कॅन व्हेरी वेल आर्ग्यू वी हॅव कंट्रोल्ड दिस फ्रिंज वी हॅव नॉट अलाउड देम टू गो ओव्हरबोर्ड आम्ही इवन प्रमोद मुतालिका सारखे मनशाक गोंयाक पांय दिवपाक दिले ना सो तुम्ही नॅशनल लेवला वेली जी इक्वेशन्स आसात ती हाडून गोंया लायनाकात गोवा बीजेपी हॅज बीन अ डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ अ युनिट देन इट्स पेरंट ऑर्गनायझेशन इन डेली सो आम्ही वेगळे तरेन केला सो आमकां त्याच नदरेंतल्यान पळयनाकात कॅन बी अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग आर्ग्युमेंट फ्रॉम द बीजेपी हाऊ वूड यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू
See, first thing, गोंयांत BJP लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीन 7 क्रिस्तांव लोक आहात थोड्यांक तांकां ऑल्टर बॉयज म्हणटात ते दुसरे आसात तांचे बरोबर तांचे खातीर दे प्रिटेंड दॅट दे आर सेक्युलर बट वॉट दे टॉक इनसायड अँड वॉट दे सफर इनसायड मेक्स देम सेक्युलर नॉट सेक्युलर सो द पॉयंट इज दॅट दे आर वॉट एवर दे हॅव बीन डुईंग इन्क्लुडींग वेन इट कम्स टू सदांच ईदाक प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाता आणि कोण प्रॉब्लेम करता आणि केन्ना पयलीं जाता आणि बीजेपी येऊनच कित्याक जावपाक लागलो सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स लायक दीस वेर यू कॅन व्हेरी क्लियरली सी
तांणी जर फाल्यां आर्ग्युमेंट घालो आमी गोंया भितर असल्या एलिमेंट्साक इन चॅक दवरल्यात आमी प्रमोद मुतालिका येवपाक
ते
दिले
सोड रे तूं ते
वी
सगळे
आर अ डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ अ युनिट
नो 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 वॉट युनिट द हिंदूज आर एंग्री विथ द बीजेपी हिंदू खंय आहा रे तांचे बरोबर हे हिंदू आपल्या कितें घेतिल्ल्या भशेन उलयतात हिंदू खातीर कितें केलें तांणी हिंदू आतां जी म्हारगाय लागता हिंदूंक डिस्कावंट दिता ते हिंदू उडयतात तांकां इवन बिहारान दाखोवन दिल्लें आहा गरीब जनतेन की तांचे जो आहा तो फकत कॉर्पोरेटांचो सरकार म्हणून आनी तांणी तांकां ओडोवन दाखयलेलें आहा. सो पॉयंट कितें आहा, द मेसेज ऑफ दीस दॅट द BJP इज गोईंग इन एनी केस, but the BJP has to be replaced by what? Which takes Goa from frying pan to the fire, or which protects the independent status of
You are
Goa.
feeling it has to be a regional outfit.
It has to be. No. I feel that the Congress cannot be kept out of the loop in this, because Congress has a sizable presence in the state. But at the same time, the Congress should face reality. See, Mani Shankar Iyer has just said in the national media that these alliances, Mahagathbandhans, will be replicated, continuously replicated till 2019. He has said it, and he has said it as a spokesman of the Congress party. Now, what is he trying to say? That wherever the Congress is strong, the Congress will have a stronger presence. Wherever it is relatively weak, it will have to be a junior partner to protect the larger idea of India.
What in Goa?
So in Goa, they will have to first assess their strength. When Yatish said that there is a thing that people have got some tie-ups with the BJP, he may be making reference to certain independent MLAs also. My point is, can they say that their leadership is not having joint ventures with the BJP? The whole world knows that most of the scams which are ongoing are joint ventures between the old regime and the present regime.
Okay.
So then, one minute. So my point is that the national parties, whether it be the Congress or the BJP, both have to have their feet on the ground. आता गोंयान तांकां कळपाक जाय की आपूण बाबा खंय कितले उदकान आपूण पेंवता तो. अशें तर समजलें की आमी इतले आशिल्ले, तुम्ही चितला 23तले 9 कित्याक जाले.
Okay. Michael, quickly. I'll give you five. Yeah,
Just two sentences.
quickly.
Number one
Yeah.
is that what he has said, our leadership is well this about it, and the leadership has taken
Yeah.
on the BJP. Now, in fact, on 14th of November, we are having a mega meeting at Margao
Okay.
in the evening. So our mobilization has started.
Okay.
And it's not that our leaders and all that, party is working, leaders
Okay.
are also on the attack mode. And
Yeah.
number two,
Yeah.
he has spoken something about Mr. Iyer. I did not know about that, but I am only repeating what our president has spoken. That party will strengthen in all 40.
Okay. Party will stand. Michael, final. What is one lesson out of this election
See,
that your party should
we
learn?
need to sit and introspect nationally. गोंयान आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लम ना. Goa, our BJP is intact. We don't allow any fringe element
lesson.
or any person to talk against any religion, against anything. Even the chief minister is on record on beef that it is for anybody whoever wants to consume beef, they are free to consume.
One lesson.
There is no lesson as far as Goa is concerned.
Okay.
Goa BJP
The
is
national
strong.
lesson is
We are-
nationally
we
and
are
you have to learn
taking
it.
it forward.
Okay, but yes,
And,
MG has made statements against convent schools.
Okay.
See,
They are the alliance partners.
No, they are not our alliance partners.
They are your alliance partners.
Adi,
They are your alliance partners.
Michael,
And they have
we will
made this
keep them
statement while
intact.
they are in you. not this.
We are in the right
happened.
mode.
Your
As
CM
far as
defended
Goa is
them.
concerned, we are in the right direction.
Okay. I'll stop
They
it.
have destroyed Goa.
I'll
He's
stop
doing
it
a
this.
wonderful
Okay, I'll
job.
do the vulture. Michael was
Chief
way
Minister
sarcastic
has
आपला.
destroyed Goa.
I am stopping it this.
One
way
year.
sarcastic आपला. एक गजाल कळटा की काँग्रेस म्हणटा 40 मतदारसंघा भितर आमी वतले, बीजेपी म्हणटा 40 मतदारसंघा भितर वतले, पण इलेक्शन लागीं वता मेरेन पावतले की कोणाचो हात कोणाच्या हाताक आसा आनी कोणे कोणाचो साथ सोडला तो. सो एकच लेसन हातूंतल्यान कळ्यार पुरो की द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ हेट्रेड आनी इंटॉलरन्स कोणाकच ह्या देशा भितर नाका. तो लेसन शिकून गोंया भितर एक इफेक्टीव ऑपोजिशन तयार जावचें, इतलीच सगळ्यांची इच्छा आसा. तुमी आयले, इतली बरी भशेन मत मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट पवित्राबाद प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.